Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So a couple of weeks ago I make a video about the Google Pixel 4a, the upcoming mid-range smartphone, but now we have may finally become the Google Pixel 4a on the next month, May 22. This leaks and new update coming. So before we starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So what is the update about the Google Pixel 4a? The Pixel 4a has been leaking like crazy over many weeks, and I also make a couple of videos. You can check it out that videos on my channel, but so far Google has not made it official for whatever reason. In the meantime, Apple has introducing its mid-range contender for this year. I talking about the new iPhone SE 2020 model. So now all eyes are in Google from the moment when it will decide to finally make it move for the upcoming Google Pixel 4a. According to the new rumors out from Germany, the Pixel 4a may go on sale on the country on May 22 next month. The information reportedly is from Vodafone, one of the carrier over there. The Pixel 4a could be priced around €399 in the Eurozone, which will be slightly less than the iPhone SE in the US. Widely expected that the two will start at the same $399 price range. In the next month, the May 22 release date is said to have been spotted in internal document at Vodafone. But it always don't forget to take any rumors with a pinch of salt. Nevertheless, it's high time Google launched the Pixel 4a given the barrage of leaks we have seen about it so far. Previous rumor have mentioned it. The Pixel 4a supporting a 5.81-inch OLED screen with a 1080p by 2340 pixel resolution and a 3080 mAh battery with 18 watt wired charging, a 12 megapixel rear camera with OIS and 8 megapixel selfie snapper with 84-degree field of view. Take it inside the hole punch, and the display at the helium will be Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 SoC. And also we have seen some retail packaging reveal in a new leaks and some leaked render video and picture as well. But let's see in upcoming days what Google do with this smartphone. But make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos, and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite and which one you want to buy in the 2020, the mid-range smartphone, the Google Pixel 4a versus the iPhone SE. So if you want to buy any of smartphone, link in the description, go and check it out, and the Amazon affiliate link. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out, bye bye.